Dad. Dad.
Yeah.
Now I can play as like every one of these guys.
I know. I know you're very excited. I knew that was what you wanted.
And this is what I wanted. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, guess what? We can play as now.
What?
Joker, Penguin, Batman, Scarecrow, Special Lego.
What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. You can say thank you to your mom's from her too.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You like all your presents?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
Happy birthday.
How old are you now?
5.
5?